Internal hole positioning is an important machining method in CNC machining. So, what are the commonly used types of inner hole positioning mandrels? Firstly, the tapered hole axis is one of the most common axes. It has high precision positioning ability and is suitable for various internal hole processing. Secondly, cylindrical shafts are also a commonly used type of shaft. It can be positioned through cylindrical holes. In addition, the threaded spindle and the polished rod spindle. It is also a common spindle for internal hole positioning. In actual processing, we also need to adjust according to different processing methods. Select the appropriate inner hole positioning spindle according to the requirements. The operation method for locating the inner hole is also very important. Need to ensure accurate positioning of the spindle and hole to ensure that the processed products meet the requirements. In short, the positioning axis of the inner hole is on CNC, plays an important role in processing. Choose the appropriate inner hole positioning spindle and operating method can improve processing efficiency and product quality.